Ligiza.
Yeah.
Ngiyathokoza ku-Given emana yenzako and ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuhle ukuhamba nesikhathi sanje se-broadcasting.
Correct.
Yeah, abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi media isesengileyando yakade. Ishi media ichangile kakhulu. Pheze nomhatsho iradio iyastruggle nje.
Na?
Yeah. Nge-listenership. I-listenership eningi ithethwe ama-platform afana neweni lathandos.
Yeah, abantu bakuthe ukuthi we have to listen to iloku besigabukela i-podcast. Kabanibani.
Actually generation yanje.
Yes.
Yeah, so abantwana baphila ku-YouTube, baphila ku-social media, baphila ku-TikTok. Yeah. No, I'm impressed ngo-Given. Because mina ngiyathoma ukuhlangana naye personally.
Yeah. Senze ibhudango lakho la first.
Ibhudango lekose.
Ngale kwalokho ngimpisela impumelelo and into angikara ngayo ukhulume pheze yokinto. Umsebenzi wenziwa bo-Given lo.
Yes.
Uzoyibetha phasi iradio ngoba abalaleli banje.
Yes.
Balaleli abafuna ukubona. Sebalaleli abafuna ukulalela. Ma viewers.
That's why
abantu banje.
Yes, that's why abaningi ama-radio seba-streamer.
Yes.
Oh yes,
streamer.
Sala abo Metro.
Yes.
Makusebenza June 16 sekumele lo bashoot ama-video ba-post on their socials. Akusafani njengalokhu.
But so far I think mina i-radio babetha ngoku-streamer and nge-digital. It's Gagas FM.
Lapha ngeke
Abuyi.
Hayi Gaga.
Abuyi kwa Gagas.
Yo, I'm sure wabo they take them straight there. My visuals, you see.
Yeah,
it's not only the podcast. Yes.